Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today is another one of my Fashionphile unboxings. I shouldn't say another one of my, I know that I'm going to continue to do it, but I know that I'm going to continue to do these. This is a Fashionphile unboxing. This is a piece of jewelry that I recently purchased, and I'm so excited to open this box up. So let's go ahead and get started because I cannot wait any longer. It's been sitting out for a while and I just need to dig in. So here is that Fashionphile box. Super cute, has the gray and pink paper. Here is my item. It comes in a Fashionphile dust bag. Many times, or if not all times, I'm pretty sure every time you get something from Fashionphile, they will still include one of their own dust bags, even if the piece comes with its original dust bag, which I really appreciate. So this is the Fashionphile dust bag that my item comes in. And here is my item. This is the box for my item, I should say. As you can see, it is by Chanel. And this piece I saw and immediately clicked that little heart because I fell in love with it and I wanted to be able to track it. And I think it went on sale or was already on sale. The price was just too good for me to pass on. So I went ahead and purchased it. So again, here is that Chanel box. Woo! Oh, and it does come with a little Chanel dust bag. This is so cute. Check out this little Chanel dust bag. Adorable. And then here is what I purchased. These are Chanel earrings. They are in a silver toned, but like a matted, not gunmetal so much, but kind of a matte, muted silver toned hardware and tweed interlocking CCs. So I am really into tweed right now, and it's fall and winter, which is like the peak time of year to wear tweed. I know that I've purchased a few tweed pieces to wear. So this is gonna go so well with so many of my outfits. I love that they're a nice big size. I will put these on in a second. But one of the complaints that these earrings tend to have, that Chanel interlocking earrings tend to have, is that ones that come with like the crystals or the beads, they tend to fall out. I do own a pair that has black and white little pearls, and one of the pearls did fall out. I have it. I just haven't had any chance to go back to Chanel to get it fixed, but that does tend to happen. So with this, I don't have to worry about it because it's actually just tweed fabric, and it's dark and it's very much my style. Even though it's tweed, it's kind of like edgy downtown, that kind of aesthetic. I'm a New York City girl, so that is totally my vibe sometimes. So I love this. I think it'll go really well with so many of my fall and winter outfits. Okay. Let's try these on. And the condition is amazing. I really don't see anything wrong with these at all. Ah, absolutely beautiful. Again, I really love the size. It's a good size, not super tiny. You can definitely see these. I really, really love the way that these look. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear these out. They're beautiful. I love them. I love them so much. And now I own them for a fraction of the retail price thanks to Fashionphile. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag call me. We'll happily do sponsored videos. And that was my most recent Fashionphile purchase. I am so in love. I just have no words. So in love with these. I hope that you like them. Can't wait to hear your thoughts on it. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you like these? Have you seen these? Do you prefer tweed? Do you prefer interlocking CCs that have crystals on them, or beads or pearls? What do you think of these? They're a little more edgy than your regular your regular Chanel earrings. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Or just say hi, leave a comment of any kind, a question, a request. I always love to hear from you guys. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make new videos every single week, so if you are on that notification squad, then you will get an email sent to you right to your inbox letting you know that my new video is out. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.